Hello everyone! I'm going to give you an overview of how to use RISM's online directory of library abbreviations, what we call library Sigla. You might need a siglum if you're looking for sources in a particular place, or if you need to cite an institution in a publication. From the RISM website, click on the link to the library Sigla directory on the right. You can enter words to search all of the fields or search specifically for institutional names, library Sigla, cities, or countries by selecting the option in the drop-down menu. As an example, let's search all fields for Library London. This retrieves institutions with the words library and London anywhere, including in the name of the institution, the City of London in England, and the City of London in Canada. As you scroll down the list of results, you'll see that some institutions have gold stars next to them. That means that the RISM Online catalog of musical sources contains records from these institutions. If you click on an entry, it will expand to show you more information about the institution. It's always a good idea to click on the entries, because names of institutions may have changed over the years, or collections may have moved. Here you see contact information, a map, the URL, and a blue Sources button. If you click on Sources, you're taken directly to the RISM catalog, and you will find all the musical sources we have from that institution. When searching by siglum, please note that capitalization is important. US, WS, all capital letters, is not the same as US, WS with a lowercase s. If you want to search by city, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, you must enter the city in the local language. You must also enter any diacritics. To find all institutions in any given state in the United States, enter the postal abbreviation in the city field. You will find more information on the help page. If you search for an institution but cannot find it, we'd be happy to create a siglum for you. Just send us an email, contact@rism.info. Also, feel free to contact us if you notice any errors in the directory or have updated information. The online directory of RISM Library Sigla is updated continuously and is the most complete and up-to-date source of RISM Sigla. Thank you for your attention.